Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how you can use voice changer in Roblox. So let's get started. First guys, open your app store. After open your app store, on the search bar, search for this keyword guys, as you can see here on the screen, voice, search for voice changer. As you can see here guys, voice changer for live, as you can see here, live. Voice changer live and mic, as you can see right, voice changer live mic. After that guys, you open this download app, the first app, and you can use this app and you can you mix your voice here. You can see here guys, you mix your voice and you can recording, and you can add different mixes, and you can change your voice, and you can enable while playing Roblox. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.